For many years, English teachers have used the method known as listen and repeat. Using this method, the teacher says a word or a sentence, and then the student repeats what the teacher has said. For example, your English teacher may say, "John drove to school." Then you would repeat what the teacher said. So you would say, "John drove to school." You repeat after the teacher just like a bird. This listen and repeat method doesn't teach you how to speak English. No, it just teaches you how to repeat after your teacher. If you want to speak English, then you must learn how to think in English. Then you learn using the listen and repeat method. You don't think in English, so you don't learn how to speak English. At Learn Real English, we use a method that is called listen and answer. The listen and answer method is much more powerful because it teaches you to think in English. And you need to be able to think in English in order to speak English quickly, easily, and automatically. You must think in English because then you are speaking to another person. There is no time for you to think in another language and then translate into English. Using the listen and answer method, we tell you a story. And you just listen to the story and you try to understand it. And while we are telling you the story, we ask you a lot of questions. So you listen to the story and the questions, and then you answer the questions out loud. You hear the questions in English, and you answer the questions in English. You begin to think in English. And when you think in English, then you understand faster. You don't need to translate, so you respond quicker. When you speak to another person, you don't listen and then repeat what the person says. You listen and then you answer the person. That's what you do in real life. And that's what we do in the Learn Real English lessons.